Well, good morning. We are on a family adventure today. We are going to go off-roading to an off-road park. We have a 4-seater side-by-side. We live in Arkansas, and this is what Arkansans do on the weekends sometimes. And so we're going to go have some fun for a few hours. I'll show you all the food that I packed, and I made everyone keto sandwiches to probably that they didn't know, but anyway, yes, they are keto. I use keto bread, and we've got some other goodies, but I will show you all that I brought in a little bit. But yeah, we're excited. Are you excited, Audrey? We're excited. This is something that's super fun, family time. Gets us out of the house on the weekends, get some fresh air, some vitamin D. So yeah, it's going to be fun. Beautiful view. Look at this beautiful view. Go over to this other side. Beautiful, beautiful Arkansas. Look at that. So pretty. If that pole wasn't in the way. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, here's lunchtime. I've got some pork belly that I crisped up in the air fryer. Got some of these cheddar crisps. We've got chomps, meat sticks. We've got carnivore crisps. We've got jerky. We've got more carnivore crisps. We've got sandwiches that are made with keto bread. Sandwiches with keto bread. Roast beef and cheddar. Turkey for her. Time to go down. Nothing to it. Sure. Piece of cake. That was a nope. We attempted to go down it, and then we had to turn around, so going to find a different route.